Today we will be installing MaxLite's MPulse wall mount fixture. After drilling mounting holes and separating the back mounting plate from the fixture's driver box, feed the main power wires through the center hole of the gasket and push it against the wall's surface. Next, fasten the mounting plate to the junction box in the wall with screws. Ensure that the mounting plate is secure before proceeding. Now we'll hook the driver box onto the mounting plate. Allow the fixture to hang by the hooks to facilitate the wiring process. We can now begin wiring the fixture. Make your connections according to the wiring diagram that is included in the instruction manual. Next, tuck all wires into the driver box and push it against the mounting plate. Now we'll secure the driver box to the mounting plate using screws on each side of the driver box. Please note that you can put the rubber plugs back to cover the screws and maintain the look of the fixture. Tilt the fixture's head to a desired angle and lock it in place with the included Phillips head screw. Thanks for watching.